Now let's design our file upload modal. So what I mean is, on LinkedIn, if you click this, we should see a modal opening up. So the same way we have to do it here. Let me create a component for modal. So this will be, let's say, file upload modal. This should have an index.jsx file and one for index.scss. So in the JSX file here, let me make a functional component, and this should be file upload modal, like this. So we should get the modal from the ant design, but first let me import this style sheet file, index.css. Now let me choose this vertically centered modal. But for this, we need to add two states, one state in the profile card, which is called modal open. Fine. Now let me create this here. Just copy modal, this modal, vertically centered modal, and add it here. We need few things, which is modal and button. So button we need to create a custom footer. So come over here and you will see a footer prop here. In this customized footer modal, if you see here, this will be like this. So we can just add it here. We can remove two buttons, like this button and this button. We only need this button and remove the events from them. Now this should be modal open, set modal open, and this also. Now we need to get all the three things as props. So modal open, two things, not three things, and set modal open. Now let me return the component in the profile card. So import file upload modal. Let me just return it here. And in here we can pass modal open and set modal open. And save this. And now what is this? What do we need? Okay, let me move the input and the button from here to here. Wrap them in a div, like this. Now we also need get image, so let's also get it as props, and the upload image. So also get it from props. So we don't need the button. This upload image will be here on this submit button. So on click, and let's change upload profile picture. Save this. Now save here also, but okay, we already have that. So we also need to pass get image and set image. Get image and upload image to set it and upload it. Now if you click here, okay, also need to add this event called set modal open on this profile picture card. So on here, say on click, when we click this should open the modal. So set it to true so that we can see it on the screen. Now also on this class called profile image, let me make cursor to be pointer here. Now save this and click this button, and we will have vertically centered modal. So we don't need this for now. Here let me check, change this should do this to add a profile image. Save, and we will have it. Now let's design this profile image selection button or input. So we can add a label here, and let's say add an image. Save. Now on the input we can give it a ID. So let's say this is let's say image upload. Now this ID, we have image upload, we have to use it on the label also, but as for. So we have this label for the input. So save this. Now if you click the add an image text, this label, the file selection pop-up will open up on Windows. So we can make this as hidden so that we don't see it. Now let's style this label. So say class name, let's say upload btn or something like that. And this div, okay, leave this div. Yes, not leave this. Just add a class name here called image upload main. Now come over to this CSS file here and set this as display flex, justify content center, and align items center. Now we need some height, let's say 80 or 60 px will also work. Yes. Now let's add this label inside, and in the label we can add border 1 px, solid, let's say 212121. Now also let me add a padding, say 10 pixels, and we will have a padding. Then cursor as pointer. We will have add an image here. Let's say font family system UI. Okay, I think that's already here. Now it's done. We can choose the image and we can upload it. Fine. But the thing is, a problem is here. We should only upload an image when we have selected an image. So let me pass one more thing here called the image, current image, this. So let me pass and get. So we can add one p tag here as well. That will show us our current image name. So select a file, any file, and the name will be here. So we should make the flex direction, flex direction as column, like this. Now give it a refresh. So if you click this, we will see this, then we can select the image. But if you click, or we can click the upload image, upload profile picture without selecting any file, and that will do what is make our image as blank. So we need to make the button as disabled. If you do this, nothing will, it will be disabled. We need to only enable it when our file is here. So this is the current image. Let's console this in the log. Yes, so what we can do is we can just get the name from this. So current image.name. So initially this will be undefined, but if you select any image, this will be not undefined, this will be like have a name. So we can use this property to check for disabled. So if the name exists, we don't need to disable the button, so make it false. But if the name is undefined, we can make it true. So add an image here, or let me start from the beginning. Refresh the page and select, click the button, add an image. Let me use an image here. Let's say, let me use my image here, this image. Now as soon as we click add an image, we can see this button as enabled. Fine. So click upload an image and this will be uploaded. Also, when we are uploading an image or when it is successful, we can close the modal. So how can we do that is just set the modal open as false here, or just pass set modal open here and come over to the upload image API. Okay, not here. Upload image API, not API. Just upload image. So it is here. Okay, this is the function name, and we should get the save this. We should get this set modal open here. Save both files, and here when we are uploading is done, we can close the file. So yes, make this as false. Now we can try this once more. Okay, so let me choose a file here, say any of my image. So let's try this image. Now upload an image, and it will not close until the upload file is done loading. I mean, image is done uploading. So let's wait for it and see. It has been changed. Also, we can show the loading state here. So let me create one state here also, which is called const progress and set progress equals to use state a string. Okay, not a string, a number, say 0. Pass the set progress in the upload image API and get it here at the top. I mean from params. Then we can set the progress here. So this will run every time our progress changes, and it will set the progress. Now pass the progress in the file upload modal as this, and we don't need this. Let me get it here as the progress. Now we need a progress bar that will help us to show the progress of the file upload. So say check for progress here. We can use this progress from art design, any progress. So you can choose circular one or this one. Fine. Let me choose this blue one. So JavaScript, we need these two. So let me import progress and space from ant.d. Progress, comma, space. Okay. Now we have to use it in the modal. Say, where should we use it? Let me open the modal. Let me use it below the add an image. Say here. So we only need one circular progress, and the percentage will be this progress. So it will be 0 initially. Yes. So okay, what if we remove the space here? I think that is what we don't need. Basically wrap this in a div and add a class name called progress bar. Now let me come over to styling file, and here say progress bar padding 20 pixels. Okay, I think we have to make the height as auto then. Yes, now it's perfect. What if we remove this? Okay, it's fine. Let's leave it. So we don't need to see this progress when the progress is 0. So we can create a condition here. So if progress is 0, show nothing or an empty fragment, else show this div. Now let's try this. Add an image. Let's try to add an image here. Let me choose this image. Click upload profile picture, and we will see this progress bar here. And when the upload completes, the modal will be opened as I closed, and the profile picture will be here with the toast here. So that's done. So this is done. Yes. Now what I have to do is, see, this image is not looking good. I mean, it's not perfect. So let's make it perfect. So come to profile card.jsx and also close this. Yes. Open the index. So here we have the profile image width and height. So we need one property called object fit as contain, so that it contains our image like this. One more thing that I forgot to do, when we upload an image, we need to clear all of these things from here, from the file upload modal. So we can come over to profile card here. Yes. So upload image, when it is done, so how to clear them? Okay, where are the data? Where's the data? If we close this and open it again, let's do what? Okay, we need to clear the name first, so let's do that. I mean, set current image to an empty object like this. So we can pass this here as well. Set current image, that we can set as empty. So save this, come over to the API/image upload. Let me get this set current image and then just set it as empty object. And I think that's all. Okay, so fine. I think that's all for now in this section. Now we can upload an image and see this image here. So let me upload my image, one more image here, and then now when we upload an image, okay, click upload image, and again we will see this progress bar, and it's done, and the modal will be closed. So click it again, and the name will be not here. So one more thing, yes, I can do is set the progress to 0. So where is the progress? Say set progress as 0. Fine. And that's all for now. Let me try one more. This last image. Just to show you what happens now. I have set the progress to 0. It means the progress bar will be hidden. So which image should I upload now? Let me try this image. Upload profile picture. So it's getting uploaded and it's done. It will be here momentarily like this. Now it will be an empty modal.